How to see recently added contacts on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can see recently added contacts on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. And once you do that, you'll be appear with this tab screen interface. And from the appear screen, what you're gonna do is simply tap on that plus sign which is above the flash option. Now go ahead and tap on that three dots which is appear on the top right corner. Now you'll be appear with three options. Among them is recently added option. Simply tap on it. Once you do that, you will be appear with all the persons or username that you have recently added. So it will all appear in here. So this is how it is easy and simple to see recently added contacts on Snapchat. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.